Hello my friends, welcome to today's deep dive into the buzzing world of space exploration. If you're a space fan, you are in for a treat. We are covering fresh footage from labpadre cams showing massive cranes in action, tanks being cleared out, pressure vessels on the move, clamp arms rising high, and that epic SQD arm extension finally getting installed. These clips reveals how SpaceX is ramping up for bigger launches, pushing boundaries in rocket tech. From dawn's lift to night transportations, it's all about building the future of space travel. Stick around as we break it down step by step. You won't want to miss this episode. My name is Ernest, welcome back to Space Expanse. Let's dive right in. Let's start with this thrilling scene from part 1. Here, a giant crane called Marvin, an LR11000 model, swings into action. It carefully lifts two large tanks out of the deluge area, which is the spot under the launch pad that sprays water to cool out during blastoff. The video captures the crane's long arm extending over the foggy field, hooking onto one of the tanks one by one. Workers guide it from below as the sun rises, turning the misty dawn into a clear day. You can see the tanks dangling mid-air, right before being set down safely nearby. Now why does this matter? The deluge system protects the pad from the immense heat and force of Starship engines, mainly those thirsty Raptor engines. Removing old tanks likely means upgrades or repairs to handle more powerful tests. SpaceX aims for reusable rockets, so a strong deluge could mean quicker turnaround between launches. Detail shows the crane's precision. It adjusts angles slowly to avoid damage, with support vehicles buzzing around. This step clears the way for new hardware, boosting Starbase's efficiency. It's a small but vital piece in making space travel more routine. As the sun climbs higher, echoing the rise of innovation, let's shift to another key movement. In this footage, we can clearly see 5 steady cages packed with COPVs. Those are composite overwrapped pressure vessels, fancy tanks that store high pressure gases for rockets. The footage shows trucks hauling them from the production site straight to massive test range. It begins in a busy industrial yard with pipes and structures glowing under lights, then follows the convoy along a dark road. Flashing beacons guide the way as they cross open field, arriving at the test site area where cranes loom in distance. Testing them ensures they are safe and reliable under extreme conditions, preventing failures during flight. SpaceX is scaling up production, so shipping more means they are preparing for multiple missions. In this footage, you can spot the cages secured tightly with escorts for safety, highlighting the careful logistics. Each COPV undergoes pressure checks at masses to simulate launch stresses. This process speeds up assembly lines, helping SpaceX hit ambitious goals like colonizing Mars. Like vessels carrying dreams across the horizon, our next clip lifts us to a new height. We see clamp arm door number 10 being hoisted up to launch mount 2. The new labpadre camera gives us a crystal clear view of this. A crane hook grabs the massive door, a key part of the system that secures the Starship during stacking and fueling. Floodlights illuminate the tower as the door rises steadily, workers below directing with signals. It pauses for alignment before settling into place. Now why is this important? Clamp arms keeps the rocket stable on the pad, vital for safe operations. Upgrading to LM2 expands Starbase's capacity, allowing parallel testing on multiple paths. This could double launch rates, accelerating Starship's development for crewed missions. Details in the frame shows the door's intricate framework, with cables and panels designed for quick releases. The nighttime lift minimizes disruptions, showcasing SpaceX's round-the-clock work ethic. As the stars watch over this massive engineering feat, let's roll toward an anticipating arrival. Excitement builds as the SQD arm extension, Starship quick disconnect. A fueling arm for the Starship rolls out to the launch complex, captured under a last-minute transport notice. The footage starts in the darkness with a large vehicle, light flashing red and blue, carrying the extension piece. It moves slowly along the road, escorted by massive trucks, passing industrial silos and cranes. And as dawn breaks, this massive piece arrives at part 2, ready for installations amid the hazy morning light. This is a game changer because the SQD arm allows fast connections for propellant, cutting fueling time and enabling rapid reuse. Extending it improves reach for taller ships or better safety. SpaceX fans have waited for this, as it signals Part 2 is nearing operational status, potentially allowing 2 launches at once. The footage details the oversized load, with stabilizers and careful turns to avoid obstacles, underlying the precision transport, with the piece now at its destination, like a puzzle coming together under the rising sun. And now, upon arriving at the launch site, the SQD arm extension gets lifted into position. In broad daylight, a towering crane hooks onto the pieces, raising it high against the blue sky. It sways gently as it ascends the launch tower, workers fine-tuning its angle for perfect fit. After a few adjustments, rotation slightly left, then right, it slots in, ready for bolting down. The video zooms in on the connection point, showing pipes and mechanisms that will handle fuel transfers. Why is this important? This completes the arm, essential for quick disconnect post-fueling, reducing risks during countdowns. It pushes Starbases towards full multiple-part operations, supporting Elon Musk's vision for frequent flights to the moon and beyond. Details reveals the crane's low control movements, with safety lines and spotters ensures no mishap. This installation could shorten prep times from days to hours, revolutionizing space logistics. And that's the wrap-up on this Starbase Rise, each step propelling us closer to the stars. Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right here. They're my previous uploads and it's a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.